that we discussed. See, magnetic field ಮತ್ತು electric field direction ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ರೀ? They both are in a opposite direction. Yes, electric field y axis ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು and the magnetic field will be in the negative y axis, right? That we discussed. And also about the that is velocity selector, that also we discussed yesterday, right? So today we will take the next concept, that is the Biot-Savart's law. Yes, what it is? Biot-Savart's law. Yes, so for your exam purpose this is very important. Yes, it may be asked you for the 5 marks or else 3 marks. Yes, see here, for if they ask you for the 3 marks, then you have to write from the statement, then the diagram, later the formula. Yes, this much you have to write if they ask you for the 3 marks or else the 5 marks. If they ask you for the 5 marks, then you have to write this much. Yes, see, this is a very important and you just note it down in your book. That's why I written the notes on the board. Okay, so let us start the Biot-Savart's law. What it is then? How it is different? Yes, see, now we are discussing about the magnetic field, right? So now we have magnetic field discussion ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಾ? Okay, so definitely here magnetic field will come, that you must know, right? So now what I will do, just I will consider the one wire. Yes, consider it as a one wire. Yes, idu ಒಂದು wire ಇದೆ. So wire means of course aluminum or copper you can take. So it is a conductor. Now yes, so conductor means of course current will be passes through this. Yes, ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತ್ರಿ, magnetic field ಯಾವಾಗ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? When the charged particles will move in a conductor. Yes, that time what will happen? The current starts to flow, right? So this is the current carrying conductor. ಏನ್ರಿ ಇದು? current ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಈ ವೈರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? current carrying conductor, right? So that only I considered here. This orange color chocus ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದಿನಲ್ಲ, that is nothing but the current carrying conductor. Yes, so ಅದು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ ವೈರ್. So current is moving from this position to this position. Yes, ಇಲ್ಲಿ downwards ದಿಂದ upwards move ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Yes, then afterwards I consider the one small element of the wire. Yes, ಇದು wire ಇದೆಯಾ? Yes, middle ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದು small ish portion ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Yes, so ಅದರ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, dl ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Yes, so ಅದರ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, dl ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ dl ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದರದು ಈ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಅದು ಲೆಂತ್. Yes, then just naming here you give the a and here you give the b, right? So ಈ portion ಗೆ a ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಿ and ಈ portion ಗೆ b, just naming I did. Then here this is the point O, at the center point it is. Yes, now from this point I am observing. Yes, so ಈ point ದಿಂದ ನಾನು observe ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Yes, P will be the observation point. At what distance it is? R. Yes, so ಇದು 0 ಇದೆಯಾ? 0 is nothing but the origin. Yes, so O point ದಿಂದ ನಾನು P point ಅಲ್ಲಿ observation ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Yes, so at what distance? ಎಷ್ಟು distance ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? R distance ಇಂದ, right? R is nothing but the distance here. Yes, afterwards see here it will makes the one angle. Yes, theta is nothing but the angle between the P and O, right? This is all about the diagram. Yes, so I will be current. Yes, current passing through a conductor, that is nothing but the I, right? So dl is nothing but the small length of the conductor. Yes, dl is nothing but the small length of conductor, right? Then P will be the observation point. Yes, and what distance it is from the O? P will be the observation point from point O at a distance of R. Yes, then afterwards theta be the angle between the OP. Yes, so this is about the diagram now. Then we have to discuss what is Biot-Savart law. Yes, so here they said it is an experimental law which deals with the magnetic field. Adena deal ಮಾಡ್ತದ್ರಿ magnetic field at a point due to the current element. Yes, at a point due to the current element. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Here the current element is nothing but the I into dl. Yes, this is the product of the current carrying conductor with the small length of a conductor. Yes, here first take it, current element is nothing but the small length of a conductor carrying current is the current element. Yes, so ಇದು ಒಂದು current carrying conductor ಇದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು small length of a conductor. Yes, ಆ small length ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, small length into yes current, that is nothing but the I into dl. It is only we called it as current element. Yes, what I told you, current element is the product of the product and the multiplication. Yes, it is the product of the current through a conductor with the small length of the conductor, nothing but the current element. Yes, so this is the current element now. Yes, so now what the Biot-Savart law says? It is an experimental law which deals with the magnetic field at a point due to the current element. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ current element ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಾ? Yes, at this point current ಇದೆಯಾ? I ಇದೆ, so wire ಇದೆ, flow ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Then small length ಇದೆ. Yes, so ಈ IDL ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Biot-Savart's law. Yes, it is an experimental law which deals with the magnetic field at this point due to the current element. Yes, then see, Biot-Savart law means of course the statement we need, right? See, Ohm's law के statement itara. Similarly, here also Biot-Savart law is having the statement, but it is a bigger statement. Yes, you have to write this much. Whatever up to I will tell no, up to that you have to write. Yes, na ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೀವು ಇದರ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ and definitely it will come in your exam. Yes, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Very important it is, right? So let us discuss the statement now. First, the law is states as follows. Yes, so ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ ಇದರದು statement start ಆಗಿದೆ. Yes, you have to write like this. The law is states as follows. Yes, in statement ಮಾಡ್ತದ್ರಿ the magnitude field. Yes, the magnet. 1 minute. Just I will check. Sorry, it is magnetic field. It is. Just correct it. The magnetic field dB is nothing but the magnetic field here. Yes, the magnetic field dB at a point due to a current element I. Yes, what they said? The magnetic field dB at a point due to the current element I dl. Yes, magnetic field ಯಾಕಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Due to this. ಈ I dl ಇರುವುದರಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ magnetic field present ಇದೆ, right? So the magnetic field dB at a point, at this point directly proportional to the strength of the electric current. Strength ಅಂದ್ರೆ how much current is present in the conductor. Strength is see one class ನಲ್ಲಿ strength ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 50 or 60 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. yes 60 ಅನ್ನೋದೇನ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್. yes similarly ಈಗ strength ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ I. yes so the dV is directly proportional to the, that is strength of the electric current I. Then second one, directly proportional to the length dl of the, that is current element. yes so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ it again directly proportional to the length dl of the current element. yes so ಇದೇನಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದು length ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ dl ಇದೆ. I already told you dl is nothing but the length of current element. yes so idu first dv that proportional to I directly, and again now directly proportional to the length dl, then again directly proportional to the sine of a angle theta. ya angle ni sine angle theta between the current element and the line joining the point of observation with the current element. andre idu ya angle re adu, this is the point here, at this point it is the O point, and P means point of observation. na allinda nodta idini. yes so idu middle one line form agutte. at what distance? r distance. yes so ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ in between one angle form agutte, that is nothing but the theta. yes so between the current element ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ current element ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, and point of observation, line joining the point of observation. ಇದು point of observation P na, ಇದು line joining ಇದೆ. yes then with the current element. yes so ಈಗ dB direct proportional ಇದೆ ರೀ. first current, strength of the current, then length dl, now the angle between the point of observation and the that current element. yes and inversely proportional to the square of the distance r, square of the distance r of the point from the current element. so ಈಗ ಅದು inversely proportional ಇದೆ. once again I will read that one, just note it down correctly. the inversely proportional to the square of the distance r of the point from the current element. yes so ಈಗ directly proportional to I, dl and theta, then inversely proportional to this distance r. understood? so now we can write this one. yes so how we can write? the magnetic field at a point due to the current element is directly proportional to the strength of the current I, then current element length will be dl, and the angle between the sine angle. yes here I showed you sine of angle theta between the current element and point of observation. yes that is nothing but the sine theta divided by inversely proportional to the square of the distance. here distance is the r, right? so here just to take it, I means current, then dl is the, here I written dl already, then theta is the angle between point of observation and current element, right? current element, then r will be the distance between P and O, right? so that I written there. yes here proportionality sign is present, right? So proportionality sign ina remove madbekandre we have to put the constant. So put the value constant k. Yes, so dv is equal to k ideal sin theta divided by r square. Yes, so now we have to put the value of k. Yes, so k value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ mu naught divided by 4 pi. See, this is mu naught. Yes, mu naught divided by 4 pi, and this value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇದು mu naught divided by 4 pi ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ it will be the 10 to the power minus 7. How much? 10 to the power minus 7. Yes, so ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, mu naught ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Yes, so ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, mu naught ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ is equal to 10 to the power minus 7 denominator ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ, it will go that side, it will become numerator. Yes, so ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, so 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. This is the value of the mu naught. Understood? So your SI rating ಈಗ Tesla meter per ampere. Yes, so Tesla ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ, Tesla will be the unit of the magnetic field. Yes, meter rate value, meter is the SI unit of length. So ಇದ್ರದ್ದು length ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದರದ್ದು meter. Yes, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ರೀ, ಆಂಪಿಯರ್. Yes, so magnetic field to SI unit Tesla, then meter is the SI unit of the length, then ampere will be the SI unit of the current. Yes, Tesla meter per ampere because it is in the denominator. Yes, here I written. So ಈಗ ಈ mu naught ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಅದರ ಹೆಸರೇನ್ರಿ, absolute permeability of the free space. So ಆ mu naught ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, absolute permeability of the free space. See, ನೀವು already ಈಗ epsilon naught ಅನ್ನು ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, this one I think. Yes, epsilon naught ಬಂದಿದೆ already, Coulomb's law ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತಿರಬೇಕು I think. Yes, so ಈಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ, permittivity of the free space. What we will call permittivity of free space. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ permittivity ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇದು mu naught permeability of the free space. ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ. Yes, permeability of the free space. Yes, and the value is 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 Tm a raised to minus 1. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Yes, ಕೇಳಿದೆ. Then ಈಗ ಫ್ರೀ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Yes, so what we will get, dv is equal to k ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತ್ರಿ ಈಗ, mu naught by 4 pi. Put the value mu naught by 4 pi. Yes, ideal sin theta divided by r square. Yes, so ನಾವು ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, theta ಅನ್ನ 0 ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Yes, theta ಏನ್ರಿ ಈಗ, ಈ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ OP theta ಅನ್ನ 0 ಅಂತ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, sin 0 means of course 0. Yes, so 0 ದಿಂದ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ರೀ, 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Yes, so of course it will become dv is equal to 0. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ O and P 0 ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ that means point of observation and the current element ಮಿಡಲ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಥೀಟಾ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ, 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್, ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ನೇ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, ಥೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಲೈಕ್ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 45 ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 60 ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 90 ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಆದರೆ 0 ನಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Understood? Then after this, see ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ equation number 1 ಅನ್ನ consider ಮಾಡಿ, and it is very important also. Yes, this equation for your problem purpose also, right? Then so vector form ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ, dv is equal to vector dv is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I dl ಗೂ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ into r. ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವರೆಗೂ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್. ಅದೇ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಲಾ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಫಾಲೋಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಈ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಅಪ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್. ಎಸ್, up to here, sorry, permeability of the free space. Yes, andre ಇಲ್ಲಿ statement, then diagram, then formula, and mu naught is equal to 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 tm a raised to minus 1 is nothing but the permeability of the free space ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. 3 marks ಕೇಳಿದೆ, right? So then this is about the permeability of the free space. Students, it is very important for your exam. Yes, solve it and this all you read it. Yes, so this statement very importantly maybe 1 marks ಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸತಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. only formula, this one, where it is, this one, right? So in the next class we will take the next point. Thank you.